Trucker with you. It's Monday morning. Loading up some sand. Hope everybody had a nice week, nice weekend. Saturday I spent with my kids at my son's college. That was a nice time. Sunday we went to the Big Apple Farm truck show. Hopefully you saw that video. It was a great time. Awesome people. We're back to business. I don't think I got any more truck shows this year, but I do have a big video shoot coming out this Sunday. I'll tell you about that later. It's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be epic. We got Nick loading me up with sand. The crusher's running. Should be good weather this week. Let's do it. Cue that music. Yeah.
Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
How you doing?
Truck looks so nice.
Does look good.
You would have had a full-blown panic attack.
I saw the pictures. They'd have been stepping on my fenders, I bet.
Everywhere. I'll tell you, it was like, can you imagine if Mike was there? He was like, Mike, what?
Let's remember that for next year.
Next year, we'll burn the cloud.
The Western Star.
Oh my God. I told one of the guys, like, hey, not for nothing. I go, like, you should probably, it's one thing if you want to hang a banner in the front or something like that, but do anything you want for the trailers.
Yeah, which is what they did before. Saturday, yeah, the homecoming parade, which I was going to be in with my truck and the low bed. All the local trucks come and they pull a low bed or a tag trailer. And the kids get on the back and they decorate the trucks and the trailers a little bit with banners and ribbons, and the kids get on the back and you pull them through the town to the football game. And I was gonna do it till I found out it was gonna be all day and I had to get to my son's college the latest 2 o'clock. So Tony went with Freddie's truck, the 800, and Teddy went. And Anthony just come up to me and he goes, you'd have had a full-blown panic attack. Like, just kids putting stuff everywhere on the truck, standing on fenders, just like, what's wrong with kids today? They're not taught better from their parents at home. They have respect. Yeah, I had a lot. I can be pretty reserved and keep my mouth shut to a point. I'd have probably been a male Karen. That's probably what would have happened. I'd have gone viral, but not in a good way. So yeah, I'm glad I'm not there. And I just said, Anthony, let's remember that for next year when you ask me. Dude, you're gonna get your sneakers wet.
Oh, these are my bad sneakers.
Oh, those are your bad sneakers?
These are my shit.
Teddy. He's the king of rinsing. Perfected the rinse job on a truck. I'm lucky to work with a guy like him. We work with a lot of good guys with a lot of experience. You know, we do make fun of each other all the time. You gotta have thick skin to work around here for sure. But very knowledgeable guy. Right, Hammer? Hammer will tell you. Preloading for tomorrow, 4 o'clock. Nice and early today. Did my 4 loads out and 3 loads back today. footed. Look at that. Hey, I just posted my Big Apple truck show video. It came out pretty good. You should check it out if you haven't seen it. Some cool people on there. Some legends of the highway. Got some cute kids on there. Pretty funny. CJ from Townsend's on there. What's up, CJ? Just a little disclaimer. I love that the kids watch this channel, and it's probably inspiring some of them. But it's not a kid's show. So sometimes there's some salty language on my channel. I can't always control it. So, as a parent, I love that your kids are watching the show. I love that you're watching it with your kids, which is what you should do. But doing my best, that's all. Sometimes we got some characters that you like to use salty language. I use it in my personal life sometimes, in front of my kids. My kids do not swear. My son's 18. You will never hear him curse. Good parenting? I don't know. You gotta trust your kids too. But doing the best with that. If I'm interviewing somebody who does swear a lot, I'll just put up a disclaimer in the front and you can view at your own discretion, that's all. 7 a.m. we're heading back empty this morning. Let's go. To push those sticks down. Gonna rip my brand new tarp. Thanks, Dave. It's good. Want gravel? Gravel back? You need gravel. I'll get you gravel. Call you for what? You need gravel. You want to know why there's dents in the nose? When the operators stuff the nose like this, that's why. And then rocks roll forward and hit the front of the trailer where there's no plywood. Just had a talk with them. You can't do that.
Have a good day there, buddy.
That's a big load. Not overweight, probably 100,000 pounds, but very dense. But its stuff's light and fluffy, very dry. We haven't had rain here in like 3 weeks. Supposed to get some tonight, but not much. How does she look? Looks good. gravel. Hey, it's time to wash, but before I do, I got a few stickers for the sticker wall. First off, I met Johnny Lobster from Rhode Island. He gave me some stickers at the truck show. Rhode Island Seafood. I got another Rhode Island Shell Fishermen Association, and I love Rhode Island shellfish. Thank you, Johnny, for thinking of me and bringing them all the way to the truck show for me. That was really nice of you. I'm gonna we're just gonna do one. I'll put the other ones. I got another place for those. I'm gonna do this one. And I got this, which has a sticky backing, Cummins Power, from my good friends from Ohio, Mike and Nancy Spatafor. Plus a really nice note. Good people. And thanks for thinking of me, guys. Let's put it on the wall. Thank you, Johnny. That will forever be on my truck. And I think I'm gonna put the Cummins Power. I'm gonna peel off this tape here. I think I'm gonna put that one. I think I know where I'm gonna put this one. Fittingly, right in the middle, right? Let's put it right here so there's room to put something under it. Look at that, huh? That's pretty snazzy. I like that. Thanks, guys and girls. I dressed up as the Boston Trucker for Halloween. How do I look? Coming back this way. See the name of the company on that truck? Treadmilling. Treadmilling. Look at that, huh? Huh? I gotta think how to do it. What do you gotta think about? You ready? I'm gonna ask you a question.
All right, go ahead.
Mark.
Yes.
I consider you an operator.
Okay.
But are you really an operator or are you a truck driver?
Truck driver originally.
Originally?
Yeah.
What's the family history with trucking?
My uncle had B81s. Actually, I had one B61 in the late 60s. His first truck.
Yeah.
And then I used to work after high school with him. When I got out of high school, summer vacation, weekends, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Greasing them, changing oil, pulling rear ends out, old school stuff. So I go with him all the time, mostly in school vacation time, and work on site, drive the trucks. I was like 13 years old.
Yeah.
Just, you know, it's either in you or not. It's not in you.
Yeah.
And just when I get in behind the steering wheel the first time driving, I said, this is what I want to do. And ever since, I just B81 crazy.
B81 crazy, huh?
Yeah. We worked on them day and night. You know, the old days, you worked on them all night long until 3-4 in the morning. So they go out 6 in the morning.
Really?
Yeah, that's how it was back then.
Well, see how easy that was, Mark?
Yeah.
I'll let you load me. Here comes Dave with the noise. But we'll talk later.
We can redo one. We can do it over.
All right.
I got more to say.
Okay.
Well, I
Just gonna ask you a couple questions.
I had to regroup though, but now I know to say so. That was just a trial because
Yeah.
I had a lot of, it's been 50 years, I should say.
I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to say everything you gotta say.
Monday.
Right now. Where you going?
Oh, I gotta sit in the machine and do it.
Sit in my truck.
No,
right,
I gotta be in a machine.
Like I said, I don't think I made a video this week, but I did want to tell you something. That if you're watching this Sunday morning, then Sunday morning I'm up in New Hampshire making a video that I think everybody's gonna really enjoy, especially me. I'm going up to see some guys about some cab overs. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know, you know. If you know, don't say anything in the comment section. Don't spoil it for everybody else. But Sunday I'm going up to New Hampshire, and it's gonna be a big video. Might be my biggest. One of my biggest. It's gonna be as big as the greatest twin stick ever video. I think it's gonna be that big. So, saying that, just to tell you, sorry Sunday morning followers if I don't have a video this week. The only thing I recorded this week was just some, I don't want to spoil it, it's just work clips, I think. I don't even think I talked to anybody. It was a pretty standard week. Back and forth, gravel pit, material yard, 4 loads out, 4 loads back, bing dada boom. One day we had rain, one day I had truck washed, didn't record that. That's all we did this week. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, I'm gonna tell you why you gotta hit it now, because when that cab over video comes out sometime next week, could be Monday, could be Tuesday, could be Wednesday, then you'll just know. It'll just say, you get like a ding on your phone. It'll be ding, that's all. Like a little ring sound that tells you, oh hey, Boss the Trucker posted his cab over video. When I get home tonight from work, I gotta check it out. Tell the family and the kids, listen, wife and kids, well, husband and kids, could be just a wife watching. Hey, I gotta watch Boss the Trucker's video, cab overs, right? What's he talking about now? I have no idea. I'm just trying to fill up some time to say maybe I did make a video this week. I didn't. Teddy's working tomorrow. Teddy and Freddie are working tomorrow. I'm not. I'm lazy. I'm gonna take Saturday off. I gotta go see my dad tomorrow. Haven't seen him in a couple weeks. Go see Dad. Do some family stuff. Sunday morning. That's when I try to meet up with people on Sunday mornings, because my son's at college. My wife and daughter are busy Sundays till around noon. So that's a good time for me to go meet with people. Except most people don't want to meet on a Sunday because they're going to church or something, but whatever. This is how I keep my truck ride clean. My buddy from Ed from Minnesota, my buddy Ed, he gave this to me a few years ago. I only washed it once. And then somebody said, don't wash it. The dirtier it is, the better. So, peace and grace. Check me next week, cab over video. It's gonna be awesome. I'm just gonna tell you this. I'll give you a teaser. I said to the guy, it's 2 people, right? I said, how many cab overs do you guys have? Thinking he was gonna say 4 to 6. He goes, I don't know, somewhere between 18 and 22. Peace and grace. Stay tuned.